इंग्रजी वाचन सराव. मुलांना हा व्हिडिओ अवश्य दाखवा. THIS this, IS is, BOOK book. This is a book. THESE these, ARER, BOOKS books. These are books. THAT that, IS is, a BOOK book. That is a book. THOSE those, ARER, BOOKS books. Those are books. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर जास्तीत जास्त शेअर करा. धन्यवाद.